Give me water! Hey. Porridge. Empty head. Garbage. Garbage. You're not human.
Are you serious?
Is that right? Tell us more. You have succeeded. Nonsense! Take this, and run. Who is your father?
My goodness.
Shut your mouth.
Did you go to school? What have you done?
Coconut head.
Oh, amen.
I sold all my cows. Take this goat to school.
Where is your common sense?
You are a human.
Hey!
Shut your mouth.
Where is your common sense?
You are a human.
No humanity.
It's a complete waste.
Are you a cousin to Satan? Blan.
I think his head is made of porridge. His head. Made of porridge.
You are mad. Because you are made of mud. Eh? You are mad. Oh. That's why you are completely madless.